Here is how you add passwords to apps on iPhone. But first, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. It really helps me out. Thank you. So we're going to first start on our home screen. We are then going to look for the app we would like to add the password to. We will long press on that app and release when you see this menu. If you hold down for too long, then the menu will disappear. Once we see this, under Remove App, we will see Require Passcode or Require Face ID. This only shows in iOS 18 software and newer. We will select this option, and then we will select the Require Passcode, Require Face ID, Require Touch ID option. We'll select this one, and we'll either enter in our Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Once done, when we tap on the application in question, we need to enter our iPhone passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID in order to load into the game. By default, it will use your Face ID or your Touch ID. If that fails, it will ask you for your passcode. So we enter in our passcode, and then it will grant us access to the game. This will happen every time we want to open up the game. To remove the passcode, you long press on that app again, and then just select the Don't Require Passcode option to turn off the passcode requirement.